YouTube just reorganized its inauthentic content policy into three clear buckets, meaning more creators will be flagged. The policy itself hasn't changed, but clarity brings stronger enforcement. The real shock? Even AI-generated content with human oversight may still fail if it falls into one of these buckets for all future. On March 2026, YouTube rolled out a new structure for its inauthentic content policy. Instead of a single, broad list, the platform now divides violations into three buckets. The policy text stayed the same, but the new labels make it easier for automated systems and human reviewers to find patterns. The reorganization also signals a shift in enforcement focus. By packaging the rules into clearer categories, YouTube can train its algorithms to flag videos that fit specific templates. This means a channel that consistently uploads short, template-based clips will trigger a higher flag rate. The change is not a new ban on tools, but it tightens the net around low-effort or deceptive videos. Creators who rely on AI for scripts or stock footage must now add more oversight to prove originality. The system will look for human-generated variation as a sign of quality. The result is a higher bar for monetization, but it also provides a clearer roadmap for compliance. Even seasoned creators will notice a difference in how quickly their videos are reviewed. Channels that previously slipped past the algorithm may now see a delay or a review notice. This shift reflects YouTube's desire to protect its advertising partners from misleading content. Advertisers demand that their ads appear next to trustworthy videos, so the platform is tightening its criteria. The new buckets also help creators understand why their channel may have lost revenue. By mapping a video to a bucket, creators can see exactly which rule was violated. This transparency is a double-edged sword. It empowers creators to fix issues, but it also raises the stakes for every upload. The policy reorganization is, therefore, more than a cosmetic change. It is a strategic move to enforce higher quality standards. Bucket 1 focuses on generic and repetitive content. This includes templated videos that show no variation across episodes. Think slideshows of stock images with a voiceover, scrolling text, or AI-generated scripts that follow the same structure. If a viewer can watch 3 videos and not tell them apart, the channel lands in this bucket. YouTube's algorithm flags such patterns by detecting consistent metadata, frame similarity, and script similarity. The fix is to inject human oversight. Edit the script to add unique anecdotes, change the visuals, and give each video a distinct angle. Even a small tweak, like a different background or a new voice line, can break the template pattern. Creators who rely on AI must still review the output and adjust it. The key is to show that the content is not a copy-paste of a template. By proving originality, channels can avoid being misclassified. This bucket reflects YouTube's effort to reduce low-effort videos that flood the platform. Additionally, the system monitors engagement signals. Videos that attract low watch time or high bounce rates are more likely to be flagged. Therefore, creators should focus on storytelling and value delivery. By adding personal insights, behind-the-scenes footage, or interactive elements, the channel signals genuine effort. Even if AI tools generate the base content, the human layer must transform it into something fresh and engaging. Failure to do so will lead to demonetization, but the process is transparent enough that creators can audit their own uploads. The bucket serves as a warning. Simply using AI is not enough. The final product must be distinct. Bucket 2 covers unsatisfying and off-putting content. Unsatisfying content promises something, but never delivers. Titles and thumbnails may claim a big reveal, but the video fails to provide it. Off-putting content aims to shock or disturb solely to drive clicks. This could be realistic fake footage of a celebrity dying, staged animal distress, or gore that serves no narrative purpose. YouTube's enforcement uses user feedback, rapid flagging, and algorithmic detection of sensational language. The problem is that such content attracts high engagement but offers little value. The fix is to deliver on the promise. If a title says 10 secrets to wealth, the video must actually reveal 10 secrets. If the thumbnail shows a dramatic scene, the video must explain it. Creators should avoid shock tactics that lack context. Moreover, the platform tracks viewer sentiment through comments and dwell time. Content that consistently generates negative reactions is flagged faster. Creators should monitor these metrics and adjust their storytelling. By aligning thumbnails, titles, and content, they reduce the risk of being labeled unsatisfying. Off-putting tactics may drive short-term views, but they erode trust over time. Audience loyalty is built on reliability, not shock value. If a channel wants to remain monetized, it must prioritize value over sensationalism. This bucket also signals a broader trend. Platforms are tightening standards to protect viewers from manipulation. The enforcement is not arbitrary. It ties back to advertiser demands for safe, credible environments. Bucket 3 targets AI personas that give advice on sensitive topics. Examples include an AI doctor offering medical guidance, an AI lawyer explaining legal rights, or an AI financial advisor recommending investments. These voices appear authoritative but have no real credentials or accountability. YouTube considers them misleading because viewers may assume the advice is professional. The policy states that advice on health, finance, or law must come from a qualified human. Creators using AI for such content must label it clearly as AI-generated and include a disclaimer. A better practice is to have a human expert review and approve the content before publication. The platform monitors for claims that exceed general informational content. If a video says, "This AI will diagnose your condition," it is flagged. The goal is to prevent misinformation that could harm viewers. The policy change reflects growing concerns about AI hallucinations and the spread of false guidance. The new structure has ripple effects across the creator economy. For individual creators, the higher bar means more effort per upload, but also clearer guidelines. Creators can audit their libraries for content that falls into any bucket and rework it. Those who invest in original production, such as custom graphics, live footage, or expert interviews, will stand out. For investors, the policy signals a shift toward quality over quantity. Channels that maintain high engagement and low flag rates are more likely to attract sponsorships. Platforms that provide tools for editing and human oversight become valuable partners. The crackdown may reduce the overall volume of low-effort videos, potentially raising the perceived value of high-quality channels. However, there's also a risk that smaller creators will struggle to meet the new standards, leading to consolidation. Advertisers may shift budgets toward proven channels that already demonstrate compliance. The policy's enforcement clarity also opens possibilities for new compliance services, creating a niche market for auditing and content optimization tools. Consequently, creators and investors must adapt to a landscape where authenticity is monetized as a premium. The higher standards may also increase production costs, but they reward those who can produce authentic, engaging, and trustworthy videos. Looking ahead, YouTube is likely to refine its algorithms further. The current buckets provide a framework, but future updates may introduce additional categories or stricter thresholds. Creators should monitor policy updates through official channels and stay engaged with community forums. The next big trend could involve AI-driven compliance tools that automatically flag potential violations before publishing. Channels that adopt such tools will gain a competitive edge. Additionally, advertisers are demanding higher transparency. They may require content to pass a third-party audit before ads appear. This could lead to new partnerships between creators and certification bodies. On the policy side, YouTube may introduce metrics for measuring content quality, such as audience retention or sentiment analysis. Channels will need to adapt by tracking these signals and adjusting their strategies. For creators, the takeaway is simple. Invest in genuine value, keep the human touch, and stay alert to policy shifts. The platform's commitment to higher standards is set to reshape the creator economy, rewarding those who can produce authentic, engaging, and trustworthy videos. Next, explore how AI-generated compliance tools are changing the game for creators. Watch the deep dive on platform algorithm updates and how to stay ahead of policy shifts. Stay informed to protect your channel and grow sustainably consistently in 2026.